Let P and Q be two statements. Implication says P implies Q. Converse says Q implies P. Inverse says not P implies not Q. Contrapositive says not Q implies not P. Proposition. P then Q is equivalent to not Q, then not P. Let's take a look at this. Can we prove this proposition? Is this a correct proposition? Let's see what do we have. P then Q. Suppose this is your first statement. And this is your second statement. We have two statements, so you're going to end up with 4 rows. P, Q, P then Q is just the definition. Not Q, not P, not Q, then not P. Let's see what do we have. So, what do we know so far? True, true, true. Not Q is false. Not P is false. Well, here you have not. Let me add another rows to this guy and another column to show if I negate this, what do we get? The negation of P then Q. False then false is true. Okay, so far so good. Let's keep this in mind that we are trying to negate P then Q. This is going to be a false statement. So let me use a different color here. And suppose you have true, false. True then false is false. Not Q, it's going to be true. Not P, it's going to be false. True then false is false. Just writing this down to show you what's the negation look like. Not false is true. Just be careful when you're dealing with different compound statements. Next one, if P is true, if P is false and Q is true, then P then Q is true. Now your Q is false, your not P is true, false, then true is true. When you're dealing with the negation of implication, this is going to be a false statement. Now here, if both of these are false, then you have a true value. Not Q is true, not P is true, true then true is true. Okay. The negation of true is false. Okay, guys, take a look at this. We're comparing 1 and 2. Are these two statements the same? Yes. True, true, false, false, true, 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 true. So these two are equivalent to each other. Why the negation doesn't match with the contrapositive? Because the negation of the implication is a different story. Just a quick note for you. The negation of P then Q, first you have to rewrite this guy. First, you have to write the implication as, let's use a different color, not P or Q, then apply the De Morgan's laws. This guy is going to be not P and not Q. Guys, this is a different story, not Q. So this guy gives you not P, we just learned it's going to be P and not Q. So the negation of P then Q is P and not Q. Just be careful when you are finding the negation of the implication.